Hi, Miss Barb here with STEM Stuff. Today, we'll be doing something very simple with some things you probably have around the house. But make sure you have your parents' permission first. I'm going to blow up this balloon by mixing a few safe common household ingredients that will form a gas called carbon dioxide, which is what we breathe out and plants breathe in. We all need carbon. So let's get to it. You'll need to round up these items. First, you'll need some vinegar, some baking soda, 2 measuring cups. I have a 1/3 cup plastic one, and I also have a glass liquid measuring cup that'll hold at least a cup. A funnel, you can even make a paper one, a balloon, and a plastic bottle. Okay, I recommend stretching out your balloon and then place it on the end of your funnel so it looks like this. Okay, you're going to take 1/3 cup of baking soda. It doesn't have to be exact, and put it inside the funnel and get it as much as you can down inside the balloon. If you don't get it all in, that's okay. Shake it. Get as much down in there as you can. Sometimes it takes a little while to get it down in there. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty full right now. Okay? So pull that off. Set it down carefully. Okay. Then you're going to take 1 cup of vinegar and pour it into the bottle. I already have my vinegar in here. So about a cup. Again, it doesn't have to be exact. I have plastic down on my little table here, so in case I happen to spill, it'll be very easy to clean up. Okay, so now I have my cup of vinegar inside this bottle. I've even cut this recipe in half before with a smaller bottle, and it still works. Okay, now we're going to take the balloon and we're going to put the lip of the balloon over the top of the bottle. And we're not going to let any of that baking soda get down inside of there yet. So you have to be very careful. You might want to have someone hold the bottom of the bottle so you don't tip it over while you're putting the balloon on and spill vinegar all over the place. I've done that before. Okay, then we're going to tip up the balloon. I like to hold on to the bottom of it so it doesn't fly off. And we see our reaction. We're blowing up a balloon without using any air from our mouth. So what is happening is the baking soda is a type of a base, and the vinegar is an acid. And when the two are mixed together, they form a gas called carbon dioxide, and it expands throughout this bottle and up into the balloon, inflating it. Wow, pretty cool, huh? And so fun to do. Well, I'll see you next time, and we'll do some more STEM stuff.